And we rolling. Oh.
That's good.
You know, every time I make mac and cheese, I think of my mom, I think of my granny, I think of family, right? Mac and cheese is kind of that thing that when you have a dinner or a cookout, everybody want to know who made the mac and cheese. It's always a funny thought, but it just makes me remember like the fun part of family and enjoying a meal together. But honey, you got a good mac and cheese, honey, you got a whole good situation. So, you know, I am vegan, so I had to make sure, because I do love mac and cheese, so I had to make sure, let me figure out how to still make a mac and cheese that I love. And listen, I got a little special ingredient. I use butternut squash, right? And of course, garlic. And I combine those with vegan cheeses, and many people will try it and never even know. My favorite thing I get is when people try my mac and cheese and they say, but I thought you were vegan. I thought y'all couldn't have cheese. I'm like, it's vegan though. It's vegan. My mom gave me so many lessons in life. One that I hope and pray that I've passed down to my kids is to never be too hard on yourself. You know, life is hard enough. So if you're putting pressure on yourself, it's just no good. You gotta just live life every day. Be easy on yourself. Be gentle with yourself. And know that you're doing great at wherever, you know, place you are in life. You're exactly where you're supposed to be. The advice for the new year, honey, for 2021, do not dwell on 2020, okay? Let it go. Everything that happened, we learn from it, we grow from it, but let's look forward. Let's not dwell on the past. Three rules. 1, you are enough, just as you are. Number 2, don't judge other people. You have no idea what they're going through. Number 3, laugh a lot. It makes you feel good. Yeah, that's 3 rules.